Up first this evening, word that the water supply systems for Kingston and St. Andrew are again at crisis levels. The National Water Commission revealed today that some sources for significant catchment facilities have completely dried up. The NWC gave an update on Monday, linking it to the ongoing drought conditions. Milton Walker has our report.
Brace for tighter water restrictions. That's the message from the NWC as it revealed that most of its catchment facilities for Kingston and St. Andrew are below 33% of capacity. The NWC's corporate communications manager, Charles Buchanan, says, as predicted, limited rainfall is taking a toll.
The rainfall levels have been severely below the normal levels, and that has been the case for several months in much of the island, and has continued to present severe challenges for our operations.
The limited inflows have seen the operating level at the Mona Reservoir declining from 35% on July 8 to 33% on July 20. As drastic as that sounds, Mr. Buchanan says the Mona Reservoir is among the better cases.
In some cases, we have seen some small systems that have dried up entirely. We have seen others where the declines have been more than 90% decline. So we are operating the system on 10% of what it normally needs to meet the needs of the customers.
Those include Harbour River, which supplies sections of Bloxborough, Mountain House, which supplies Somerset and adjoining areas, and Violet Bank, which supplies that community. Levels at the Hermitage Dam have fallen from 80 to 76% over the past few weeks. Systems in West Rural St. Andrew are also being impacted by the shortfall in inflows. The NWC has committed to shutting down operations in some of these areas in order to rebuild storage levels. Members of the public are being urged to brace for possible disruptions in their water supply, including lower water pressure. The NWC says there could also be adjustments in the current water supply regulations in the areas that are worst affected. The Commission says it's working to streamline its water supply and trucking schedules to better respond to the various areas that are being affected. Milton Walker, TVJ News.